They are manipulating you right now. The powers that be are trying to shake you out of your positions, and the weak hands will lose. That's what happens in crypto, guys. And I'm here to just break things down for you. I'm going to shoot straight with you and tell you exactly the type of environment we're in right now when it comes to XRP. A lot of people upset about the XRP price. We just had an ETF, the first ETF go live for XRP. It's actually doing extremely well. And a lot of people are asking, well, why is the price still down below $3? The entire cryptocurrency market is down, guys. Outside of BNB and Aster, if you guys have been locked into the market, you guys know why those things are pumping. By the way, we're all over those too. We don't miss anything. We try to catch any wave, all right? And we got into Aster at 60 cents. We're doing extremely well on that. My Inner Circle members were able to see the exact move I made. If you want to become an Inner Circle member, you're going to see my entire portfolio, my buys and sells, etc. Everything. Check it out. Link at the top of the description. You will not be disappointed. If you want to get a real chance at dominating the cryptocurrency market, get in there. But guys, when it comes to XRP, you have to realize this one thing. We are in a trader's market right now. This is not a market that is conducive to long-term spot holding and instant gratification from holding those spot positions. If you're holding spot XRP, meaning you're holding XRP for the long term, you need to see it through the long term. And you're going to get these various pops in the price, but the current environment we're in is very conducive to traders. The traders right now are dominating the market. And this is why the market makers and the institutions, they're controlling price action. They're keeping prices down. They're flushing out longs and shorts on both sides of the coin whenever they want to. And this is not going to stop. This is a different market than 2020 and 2021. We just got to be real with ourselves. It's a completely different situation. It doesn't mean you still can't do extremely well long-term holding XRP. All it means is, just like we saw the big pop last year, you're going to have these various, jumps, the 50 cent to $3 jump, and then it's going to get boring for a while. And it's going to be traded, and it's going to be traded in a tight range. What I would advise, not financial advice, but what I would advise is at least doing research on how to become a trader as well. I hold my spot position in XRP, but I'm also trading it because this type of market we're in right now, and most YouTubers won't tell you this, by the way. Most YouTubers will just tell you, hey, we're just going to go to the moon. We're going to go to the moon. We're going to go to the moon. The real players in this market are trading and they're holding long-term spot bags. They're doing both because depending on the market you're in, you have to make certain moves. And this is a trader's paradise right now. We don't have a lot of retail spot money here. A lot of the retail investors that are in crypto, they're XRP Army members, honestly. There's not a lot more coming in brand new, but it will happen. And that's when the powers that be will let the floodgates open up. For now, they're all about making their quick money on short trades. They're all about, flushing the market, scaring people out in order for them to capture more of the supply. This is happening with Bitcoin, it's happening with Ethereum, it's already happening with Solana and XRP and all the top assets. It's only going to be proliferated when we get ETFs. So for now, it's all about building out your position, building out your long-term thesis, having your goals, whether that includes how long you want to hold this asset, what your profit-taking strategy is, and in addition to that, having a strategy around trading. This is also where we can help you become a much better trader on the Inner Circle membership. We're talking about our trades, sharing our thoughts, sharing our ideas, the moves we're making. So again, you could become an Inner Circle member, link down below. But I don't want XRP spot holders right now to get shook, okay? And a lot of people asking, why is the price still down below $3? What's going on? I still think Q4 is going to be massive. ETFs, institutional adoption, all pushing XRP to finish the year very, very strong. October is our key month here, guys. We have Grayscale, we have 21 shares, we have Bitwise, we have Cannery Capital, we have Wisdom Tree, we have Franklin Templeton, we have CoinShares. They all have XRP spot ETF applications in the pipeline. And don't get it twisted, Fidelity, BlackRock, they're going to be coming to the table too. and the final deadlines arrive next month. So the ETF demand is still building. XRP is still pushing deeper into DeFi. A company called Enosys announced the first XRP-backed stablecoin via its upcoming loans protocol on Flare network too. So the whole DeFi sector is starting to boom on XRP as well. But XRP is in a great spot. We're still trading in a tight range. We're sitting here at 298. We got support at 295, resistance at 312. We're trading in this tight window. And once we get a clear breakout above 312, that's where we can really push higher. Like, to me, it's just you have to see things for what they are right now. And a lot of the experts are going to talk, and you should listen to all that stuff, right? And don't just take what I'm saying as verbatim either. Listen to all the people out there. But don't get brainwashed in believing that we're going to go to the moon tomorrow. This is a long-term play, guys. Think about it. XRP was in a 4-year lawsuit, and only the strong survived from that. Many people were not buying XRP at 50 cents. And that's okay if you weren't, but you have to have that long-term mindset and be able to play every side of the market, whether you want to hold the long-term asset and trade it at the same time. Maybe it's just a trade, etc. Find your entries, block out all the noise externally. Know that this market's being manipulated, but who cares? You could still win big, both with short-term trading opportunities and long-term opportunities. I've also got a ton of my exchanges that I make my trades at, BidFi, WeX. They're all linked down below. Check those out if you're looking to trade XRP or any of the top assets. Got some great perks for you down there. I appreciate you all for watching the video. Let me know your thoughts. And if you like this style content, just coming at you, talking real, raw, live, let me know so I can do more of this. All right. Thank you guys again. We'll see you in the next video. Peace out.